Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a calculation query in Microsoft Access. This is an incredibly useful skill that allows you to perform mathematical operations on your data directly within your database, saving you time and making your data analysis much more efficient. To get started, open your Microsoft Access application and load your database. Make sure you have the data you want to work with already set up in your tables. This is the foundation for creating any query, so ensure everything is properly organized before moving forward. Once your software is open and your data is loaded, it's time to begin creating your calculation query. Navigate to the Create tab, which you'll find at the top of your Microsoft Access toolbar. This tab houses all the tools you need to build new database objects. From here, click on Query Design. This action opens up the Query Design workspace where you'll be building your calculation query from scratch. Now that you're in the Query Design tab, you'll need to add the tables that contain the data you want to calculate. Tables are essentially where all your information is stored, and they're the source for your calculation query. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a list of available tables. Go ahead and add the relevant tables that you wish to include in your calculation. Once you've added your tables, it's time to select the specific fields you want to calculate. You can do this by double-clicking on the fields from your tables. You'll notice that each field you select gets added to the query grid at the bottom part of your screen. This grid is where you'll see all the fields you're working with, so take your time and ensure you've selected everything you need. With your fields now visible in the query grid, look back at the top part of your screen where your Microsoft Access tools are located. Click on Builder. This is a powerful feature that helps you construct calculation formulas with ease. The Expression Builder window will open, and this is where you'll start adding your calculation query by combining fields and adding expression values. In the Expression Builder, click on the plus sign to expand your expression elements. Then click on Tables again to access your fields. Select the fields you wish to calculate by double-clicking on them. For this example, we'll be calculating product cost and orders. When you double-click on the first field, you'll notice that EXPR appears between the fields. This EXPR is a placeholder for your calculation expression, and you need to change it to reflect the mathematical operation you want to perform. Since we want to add both the product cost and orders together, change EXPR to plus. This simple adjustment creates a calculation that will add both fields together, giving you a combined total. Once you've set up your calculation expression correctly, click OK on the right side of the window, and that's it. You've successfully created a calculation query in Microsoft Access that can perform mathematical operations on your data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.